Hi, Nancy Hay here, and I want to ask you, how good are you at being present? Actually being in the now, where your mind is where your body is. You're not sitting next to your partner and your head's back at work, or your head is in the future thinking about what's going to happen next week or tomorrow or something. That's a real skill to actually be mindful and in the present. And one of the things I can let you know is that if you go into future thinking, what if thinking, you're guaranteed to have anxiety. And I actually made this little poster for some of my clients because they do this so often. If you go into what ifville, into the future, you are guaranteed to get some anxiety because the future isn't here yet. We can't get to that. If you go into the past, you're guaranteed to feel oftentimes some sad feelings. If you go into worrying about the past, for sure, that leads to depression. Regrets. What if I'd done this? If only I'd done that. If you do that, you're guaranteed to have some down feelings. The only time we have really is right now. And I can remember myself when I was new therapist in Minnesota, and I was standing at my kitchen counter making dinner, and my little first son was like hanging onto my pant leg, wanting my attention, and my head was back on those 20 kids that were back at the treatment center that I was working with. Instead of paying attention where my head was with my own child, it was back at the treatment center. And that's the day I think I thought, oh my gosh, I am not doing this anymore. When I'm home, I'm going to leave my work at work and I'm going to be here for my kid. And then I had more kids. So I think it's really important to be where you are. Another example for me is that when my second son was coming, he was coming home from college. He was up I live in Arizona. He was up at Flagstaff at NAU. And whenever he would drive home, snowy mountain roads, if I had chosen to, I could have worried about that. What if something happens? What if the roads are icy? What if he hits black ice? I could have freaked myself completely out by worrying about him on the way home. And I chose not to do that. And actually being present is a choice you can make. If you stay where you are, be in the moment, then you actually have more calmness. It's in your control when you're staying in the moment. I could freak myself out with all the things that would have been out of my control, and nothing ever happened. He's a great, well, I wouldn't say a great driver, but he's a pretty safe driver. And nothing ever happened, but I could have spent 4 years worrying about that. So I just want you to take some time, focus, and just practice being present. Every time you catch yourself with your head off into the future, just pull it back and say, what's happening right now? Take a deep breath and just enjoy the moment. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.